Number 1.
1995 GMC 1500, price $8,500. It comes with an automatic transmission, a striking burgundy exterior, and a perfectly matched burgundy interior, all of which contribute to its cohesive and high-end appearance. The truck runs on gasoline and is a performance enthusiast's dream, featuring a potent LT1 396-stroker engine. The owner has invested significant time and resources into this vehicle. The complete front end was just replaced, ensuring a solid foundation. Additionally, the truck's stance has been dramatically altered, with a 5-inch drop in the front and a 7-inch drop in the rear, giving it an aggressive, street-ready look.
The wheels and tires are practically new, though they have some light staining from being exposed to rain.
While the powerful engine is described as perfect, the owner has identified a vacuum leak that needs to be repaired.
The truck also requires a professional alignment and some wiring to get the tachometer and speedometer fully functional. Number 2.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, recently rebuilt truck with an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a vibrant red interior. It features a freshly rebuilt 383 engine with less than 600 miles and a new 350 turbo transmission. The truck has been extensively upgraded with a new carburetor, fuel pump, distributor, alternator, battery, and exhaust, giving it an amazing sound. The interior is completely new with fresh upholstery, a new gauge cluster, and a new dash pad. The truck's stance has been customized with new air ride in the front and a 4.6 drop kit in the rear. It sits on new staggered steelies with Nito drag radials. While it does have some rust in the bed, the vehicle's extensive mechanical and cosmetic upgrades make it a standout.
Number 3.
1975 Ford F250, price $8,000. This truck is a highly optioned and capable pickup, making it a desirable find for collectors and drivers alike. It features a smooth automatic transmission and is powered by a mighty 460 big block engine. The truck presents a cohesive color scheme with its matching green exterior and green interior, and it operates on gasoline. The seller notes that the truck runs great and is a reliable daily driver. It has also been fully serviced recently, providing peace of mind to its next owner.
A significant and welcome feature for this era of truck is its factory AC, ensuring a more comfortable ride in warmer weather. Overall, this F250 is a strong, well-equipped, and dependable classic.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1980 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. This pickup is a capable and reliable truck with a manual transmission, a classic blue exterior, and a matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clear Georgia title. The truck is powered by a 350 engine with a small RV cam, providing plenty of power and torque. It runs absolutely perfectly and is paired with a 4-speed transmission with a granny low gear, a 205 transfer case, and 3.73 gears.
It sits on new wheels and tires.
The truck's dual fuel tanks are both in working order, and all lights and signals function correctly. While the AC is not working, all of its components are present. The seller notes there is rust in the floor pans, but the rest of the truck is rust-free. The paint job is not fancy, but the truck runs and drives great.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This vehicle has been extensively upgraded and well maintained. It has a fairly new paint job, though there are some minor scratches and chips. A new transmission was installed approximately 5,000 miles ago, and the truck also has a new rear differential with 3.73 gears.
The entire front end is brand new, with parts from Precision that have a lifetime warranty. The wheels were added about a year ago, but the tires are brand new with only about 100 miles on them. Additional recent upgrades include new cold and hot AC, a new grille, and new spark plugs. The AC system has a new compressor, and the cooling system has a new radiator. A new alternator and a new battery have also been installed. The braking system has been overhauled with new brakes and a new brake booster. Number 6.
1963 Ford F100, price $6,900. It features a manual transmission and a striking, all-black aesthetic with a black exterior and a matching black interior. It operates on gasoline. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a strong-running 302 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The first gear is a granny gear, perfect for low-speed torque. The vehicle also boasts a 9-inch rear end, a highly desirable feature. For a more aggressive sound and improved performance, it is equipped with headers and a true dual exhaust. A high-performance top-end kit and a 4-barrel carburetor have also been added, boosting its power. A significant upgrade for a vintage vehicle is the aftermarket air conditioning, which blows cold. The truck comes with a clean Florida title, ensuring a smooth ownership transfer.
Number 7.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, standing out as a true all-original truck with a remarkably low 77,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a smooth automatic transmission and a timeless off-white exterior. Under the hood, its 305 engine allows it to run and drive just like a new vehicle, providing a reliable and comfortable experience. The truck also comes equipped with a desirable feature for a vintage vehicle, ensuring a more pleasant ride. The seller notes that the truck is in excellent condition with only very minimal rust, which is shown in the pictures. As an added bonus, it includes an extra set of doors, which could be useful for future maintenance or restoration.
Number 8.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, dependable truck that serves as an excellent daily driver, with a modest 87,000 miles on its odometer. It is powered by a 305 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, and for added comfort, it is equipped with a working AC system. The vehicle has recently received a number of significant upgrades, including new shocks, brakes, exhaust, an evaporator, and a fuel pump.
These new components ensure it rides and drives straight down the road like a new truck.
The body is in impressive condition for its age, with only 2 small rust spots on the cab corners and a frame that is smooth and free of scaly rust. The truck also has new tires, making it an excellent, reliable option for its next owner.
Number 9.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500. It has logged 139,000 miles and is ready for its next owner. It features a robust 454 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, and it runs on gasoline. The truck's appearance is defined by its simple white exterior and a contrasting, but eye-catching, burgundy interior. This vehicle runs and drives, making it a viable option for daily use or a project. Its exterior has been customized with 22-inch semi-wheels and tinted windows, giving it a unique, powerful stance. The seller notes that while it is fully functional, it does need some minor bodywork and cosmetic attention to bring its appearance up to par. The truck comes with a clear title in hand, ensuring a straightforward and easy ownership transfer for its next owner.
Number 10.
1978 Ford F150, price $4,500, powered by a 400 modified C6 automatic transmission and is reported to run and drive great. It has been well maintained with numerous new parts, including all new brake lines, a new BrakeMaster cylinder, and a new brake booster.
The cooling system is also new, with a new water pump, thermostat, and radiator.
The fuel system has a new gas tank sending unit. Additional new parts include the ignition module, wheels, and tires. While the factory AC needs to be charged, the power steering and power brakes are working well. The truck has very little rust, with the exception of a hole in the driver's floor pan that has been covered with a piece of metal.
It is currently tagged and insured, ready for its next owner.